It's Friday, the end of the week. Yep, it's Friday, another week gone by. Car a bit closer, but still nowhere near paint, is it? Oh, nowhere near. It's getting close. Hopefully one of the daughters is away for this weekend, so long weekend. Hopefully get a few hours stuck on the Mini this weekend. Definitely want to get the roof off this weekend, ready for the new roof skin next week. Definitely that's a must. So first few videos of next week should hopefully be the roof. So yeah, it's getting a bit crammed in this garage. It's all the trouble when all the parts come off the car and you gain extra parts like a roof, which I need to cut up as well and make a bit smaller. But yeah, so what I think we need to do now is crack on with the other side inner wing and try and do the same thing that we did on the passenger side, welding the front panel to the inner wing. And if we can get that done tonight, well, that's a success, isn't it? It's a move forward still. Hopefully Nathan tonight has finished his spot welding on his scuttle that he borrowed. Oh, no, he didn't borrow the scuttle, he borrowed the spot welder. And then so we can have that back at the weekend and finish off all the spot welds on the front as well. So anyway, let's crack on. Let's get this rolled over and open a can of beer. Okay, just a bit of handy cam video footage here, so I don't know how well this is coming out on the light. So yeah, same with the other side. You can obviously see how I've repaired the panel. It's obviously not perfect. It doesn't need to be bent in so much again. Front end crash years ago might have caused that. Really hope you can see. Don't know if I can do anything. No, I can't do anything. So yeah, what I do is I think this top hole that I've gone, I can get a weld on that, and then I can use a screwdriver or a hammer on the back to force it out. Be nice. And then you can see the slit that I've got to fix. You can just see where it's pulled apart slightly and has helped take a bit of stress off it. Yeah, it's a bit butchery, but that's the way it goes. Agricultural maybe. So we'll put a bit of aluminium behind the back of that and get some welds down it, and hopefully that'll fill that up nicely. So yeah, let's get some welds on this down here. Again there, you can't see obviously, done the three main big plug welds at the front panel to the inner wing. So just now stitching down the back of the little tab, or the big tab, the little wide big tab. And it goes down the front of the inner wing. Stupidly the other day I did drop the front end. It slid off when I was banging at the back. So I've got a nice dent there, so make it look like a real off production line Mk1. Yeah, split's definitely helping. Slightly bigger garage would help, but hey, you can't moan, can we? We all have our own conditions. I know some of you guys don't even have a garage, so I've done a lot of work on the side of the road before as well. I restored the old camper van, all on the side of the road and outside the house. It wouldn't even fit in the garage. Did rear quarters, front wings, boots, all sorts just on the road. Yeah, but yeah, hardy stuff. Okie dokie, keep going. Okay, I don't know if you can see, yes. Take you out the holster. I just started welding up the hole, the gap, the slice, and block of aluminium helped really behind it. Just helps it really stop blowing, but trouble with having a block of aluminium, it leaves the weld quite high. It might be better with copper or not, I don't know, but leaves the weld slightly high, but you don't get too many holes being blown on the thin stuff. It helps you build a little bit of a gap. Easy enough to grind down. It's in the inner wing there. Grind it down a little bit of stone chip. Look lovely. So just finish off the bottom bit of it. Okay, that's all welded up. I would grind it down, but I can just hear the sound of a baby crying out some windows. So I really don't, well, it is mostly the best time to grind really, because the baby must be awake. But yeah, it's so hot I need the garage door open at the moment. So we'll just grind that down another time, I think. It's all done now inside there, so yeah, another bit's done. So front end's getting a lot more solid, as I said. Spot weld yet. Then we go from there. So yeah, what else we just got to do inside? Thinking of other things. Okay, yeah, one of the last things we've got to do inside is plug weld the cross member in. It was a fairly good fit, wasn't perfect. It was a pattern panel, but I've got pattern floors as well. So yeah, we'll get that in. Also notice just a couple of little bits around the floor area to the bulkhead, and just a little patch down there. So things got to be still a little bit done. So what we might do is spend the next part just touching up some of those bits, or maybe just crack on with the roof because I'm getting bored now. You know what I'm like. But yeah, if we keep all the doors closed shut, they're on the hooks and hinges. Yeah, so I've still got to take all the steering column off yet. I've put a load of penetrating oil on all that and all the wheel and that. Gonna need to do a Mk1 steering wheel, so keep an eye out for those guys. If you see anything, send links to our home Facebook page or anything like that. That's always useful. And yeah, I've told my dad to put in place things. Hang on. Okay, it's just the daughter phoning. Yeah, so that's it for this week. We're moving forward. We're getting closer. Can't wait to see this thing in paint. It's going to look awesome. So yeah, now we're going to replace the roof. I still think at the moment I'm still going to go with an old English white roof, but should we just keep it simple and just go with all almond green? Because I think that's what it would have done from the factory. I think I need to double check. It was a Dulux, so I don't know if they ever did come two-tone or not. But yeah, what do you guys think? Should I go with a white roof? Do look nice, I think, with a nice different coloured roof, especially if it matched the wheels. I don't know. I'll have a think over the weekend. A few more weeks anyway yet. So yeah. Alright guys, have a good weekend. Catch up with you on Monday. Bye.